happy third monthsary sa ating dalawa. Thank you na andyan ka palagi kahit sobrang stress na ako sa trabaho. Alam mo na mahal na mahal kita. God bless us. Ingat ka palagi dyan. Mamahalin mo.
You'll always be a part of me. I'm proud of you indefinitely. Girl, don't you know you can't escape me? Ooh, darling, 'cause you'll always be.
Of course, ang pinabati ko syempre ang aking boyfriend na si Joshua. Walang ka-happy third monthsary sa atin. Thank you for everything, and please always take care of yourself. Lagi mo sinasabi sa'yo na alagaan mo ang sarili mo po. I love you. Lagi kitang mahal. I pray that our relationship will last forever, and that we grow stronger together every single day. I love you, Palangga. I'm always love you. Missing you.
You're still the one.